Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn A to Z rainforest animals. A is for anteater. B is for boa constrictor. C is for capybara. D is for dragonfly. E is for emerald tree boa. F is for frog. G is for gorilla. H is for howler monkey. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kingfisher. L is for leaf cutter ant. M is for macaw. N is for night monkey. O is for ocelot. P is for parrot. Q is for quetzal. R is for red-eyed tree frog. S is for sloth. T is for tapir. U is for ukarai monkey. V is for vampire bat. W is for woolly monkey. X is for xenopes. Y is for yellow anaconda. Z is for Zorro. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, goodies.